Hey everyone! Chucky here, and meron tayong new unboxing video. Excited na talaga ko ipakita sa inyo. Well, this product is very interesting, lalo na sa inyong mga mahilig gumawa ng video content, mahilig mag-vlog, dun sa mga mahilig mag-level up ng kanilang video content. So the product I'm talking about is the Saramonic BlinkMe B2 wireless microphone. I'm really excited to use this video content ko, especially when I'm vlogging or I do BTS videos, hindi ba? Kasi ako I'm very particular when it comes to audio. Mas gusto ko na lang yung maganda ang quality ng audio kesa sa maganda naman yung video mo pero tunog lata naman ang audio mo, hindi ba? Mas matitiis ko yung pangit na video basta maganda ang audio. The BlinkMe B2 wireless microphone is a 2.4 GHz wireless smart microphone with touch screen. So ito yung tsura ng box niya. Ito yung mga features niya. Isa-isahin natin to. Personalized themes, simple intuitive touch screen, and then may companion app ng Saramonic, HD noise reduction, and meron siyang up to 22 hours of onboard recording. So hindi lang niya tinatransmit, meron din siyang local recording from the transmitter itself. So meron din siyang convenient magnetic attachment, ganyan. So various peripherals na magnetic na you can stick sa likod ng microphone so that you can attach it to your clothing or any other device. And the Saramonic BlinkMe B2 wireless microphone can be used with any video recording device. Pwede siya dito sa smartphone, pwede rin siya sa DSLR. So anyways, without further ado, buksan na natin ang Saramonic BlinkMe B2. Let's go. So we have, of course, the warranty and the instruction manual. Ayan. Okay, so it comes with a protective case. Pwede mo bit-bitin ng ganito. So, zipper siya. Okay, let's open it. Ayun. So, this is the actual device. The box says it comes with a ton of stuff. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. Ito siya. It comes with 2 transmitters. This is the first transmitter. And this is the second transmitter. And ito mismong ito ang receiver niya, yung nasa gitna. Pag tinanggal natin ito, ito yung receiver. Okay, so it doubles as a charging dock also for the 2 transmitters. So when you want to charge your device, USB-C siya. You just dock it here because it's magnetic, it just sticks. Tsaka napakalakas nung magnet niya. Then it comes with 2 3.5mm jacks. Yung isa line out, and one is the headphone jack out. And ito nga yung USB-C. And then, this is the touchscreen. Touchscreen din itong sa transmitter niya. Touchscreen ito. Ganun din sa second transmitter niya. The power button and the plus and minus buttons, which probably is for other functions as well. Okay, so that's the main device. Next is this one. Okay, so this is the MVC phone holder. It's your typical phone holder. Diba? Ayan, ganyan. Na may cold shoe. Tsaka pwede pang kabit sa tripod. And then, here are most likely the peripherals and the magnets. Ayan. There you go. So, we have 2 magnetic clips. Ito yan. But I'll just show you one since ito naman yung isa pa, kita nyo naman. So it's a clip na pwede mong ikabit dito. Okay, and it's very strong. So pwede mo i-clip dito. Right now I'm using the Saramonic Blink 500 Pro B2 for the audio right now that I'm using para sa unboxing na ito. Similar siya, but the difference is touchscreen na to. The microphone is here. There's no option for a 3.5mm jack for a lapel mic. But based on reviews na nakita ko na, sobrang ganda ng quality ng audio, which we will get to in the future on a separate video. Next is 4 magnets. Okay, these are the 4 magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yung kinuha ko na yung isa. So what you do with this naman is, it's the same. You actually stick it. Okay, so the purpose of the magnet is this. Just in case, you don't feel like clipping the BlinkMe on your shirt like this, on your collar or wherever, pwede mo siyang idikit sa damit mismo. Parang ganito. So, dito natin siya kunyari ilalagay. Yung magnet, lalagay natin ganito. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan siya. So, kahit galaw-galawin ko yan, hindi yan matatanggal. Ang galing, di ba? So, it comes with 4 of that, 4 magnets. Let's put this back here. I like that it's all inside one protective case so that pag binitbit mo siya, ready ka kaagad, di ba? It's all here, kompleto na siya. So, what else is in here? So, this is the 1/4 inch magnetic cold shoe adapter. Okay, this one is not for the transmitter. Para siya sa receiver. Kunyari, kailangan mo siyang i-dock sa taas ng DSLR mo or, you know, you wanna mount it somewhere na may cold shoe. So, what you do is, you use this, ito nga yung para sa cold shoe, kakabit mo siya dito, like that. Like for example, kunyari ito yung kakabitan mo. Pwede mo siya ikabit ng ganyan, no? Ayun, see? Nakadock siya. Madali mo siyang makabit securely. Next, inside, meron pa. Meron pa siyang small compartment which comes with cables. This one is a USB-A to USB-C cable. And this one naman is a 3.5mm TRRS to 3.5mm TRRS audio cable. This one, so ito yung dalawang fur windshield. And I'm sure you're familiar with microphones that use this. It's sometimes called the dead cat, di ba? It's supposed to minimize the sound of wind na tumatama sa microphone, yung gumagano na sound. Ayun. Uy, galing. So you just stick it, then you twist it. Tapos ganyan na siya. And next, 2 screen protectors for the transmitter. Diba? May screen protector na siya. And 1 screen protector for the touchscreen naman ng receiver. Ito yung touchscreen ng receiver, so you can stick that there. So that's pretty much it. So we've unboxed it already and we've seen everything. Well, hindi ko naman po ite-test po ito ngayon, but I will test this and I will post a separate video about that naman para naman makita din ninyo kung how well it really performs, although I'm very, very confident na maganda talagang performance nito. Okay, so from what I've heard, dahil nga siya touchscreen, you can even change the images of the touchscreen. Kunya, pwedeng mukha mo, pwedeng logo, pwedeng name ng show mo, so that when it's here sa damit mo, at least may branding ka, di ba? Ang galing. So yun, so basically that's it. That's the Saramonic BlinkMe B2 2.4 GHz wireless smart microphone with touchscreen. I'd like to thank our friends from Saramonic. Maraming salamat for sending this over. I can't wait to use it and create wonderful content. So guys, I heard that there's an ongoing Saramonic promo na I'm sure ayaw niyong palampasin. So the promo is this. When you purchase any of their Blink product right now, so it's like the Blink 500 or, you know, the BlinkMe B2, gaya nito, you automatically get a free Saramonic handheld holder for wireless microphone. Ganito siya. Bubuksan ko na lang para sa inyo. So, it's basically a handle for your Blink devices. So, ganyan siya. Ayan siya, oh. Clip it like this. So, may handle ka na. Then, you cover it with this. Yun. Yan. Kunyari, kamusta ka na ngayon? Kamusta ang buhay-buhay? Di ba? Yung ongoing promo ng Saramonic, if you purchase any of their Blink products right now, and while supplies last, you can get a free SRMH1 handheld holder for wireless microphone. But what I also like about Saramonic products is that their prices are very, very reasonable. And yet, napakaganda pa rin ng quality ng kanilang products. Comparable siya sa mga more expensive audio equipment out there in the market. So you don't have to spend too much to get the same quality. So abang-abangan ninyo yung pag-test ko ng product na ito very, very soon. Well, just in case you want to know more details about the Saramonic BlinkMe B2 or kung gusto ninyong bumili, I'll leave all the details sa caption and you can also click the link on my bio just in case. So maraming salamat guys. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing video and I'll see you on more videos very, very soon. Bye guys!